Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PASCAL. We're representing about our findings. Firstly, me myself will present about the introduction. Anis will present about the objective. Danisha will present about the methodology. Fatimah will present about the findings. Amin will present about the conclusion. And lastly, Muzaffar will present about the recommendation. Okay. For the introduction, every month UPN students will be given various amount of pocket money for expenses. Usually the money they gain from their parents, they will use it for their daily needs such as food, laundry, public transport and others. The students should use their money wisely so their expenditure will not exceeding their limits. Next, I will pass the presentation to Anis.
Next, the objective of our topic, which is correlation and regression analysis between pocket money and expenditure by UPM students are: the first one is to study the relationship between the pocket money and their expenditure within a month by UPM students. The second one is to estimate the expenditure of the student if the amount of the pocket money they gain varies among them.
So next, for the methodology, we use the data collection as it enables a person to answer relevant questions, evaluate outcomes, and make predictions about future probabilities and trend. So in this survey, we gain the data from Google Forms which answered among UPM students. In this study, the pocket money has assigned as the independent variable and the expenditure as the dependent variable. Next, we find the covariance in order to find the person's product moment and to determine the strength of linear relation between two variables.
So let's move on to the findings. For the findings, we are looking for three things, which are covariance, person product moment, which is R, and also the equation of the best fit line. Okay, firstly, when we look at the graph, we can observe that the graph is positive and linear. So, we can conclude that the graph have positive covariance, but we need to prove it by using the formula of covariance. I have calculated the covariance, so the value that I obtained is 34,398.85, which is positive covariance. Next, to determine the relationship between pocket money and the expenditure, we are using person product moment, which is R, to obtain their relations. So the R obtained is 0.8526, which is nearest to the 1. This proves that the variable has stronger relationship. Okay, then for the regression analysis, we obtain the equation of the straight line. This straight line is y cap or predicted value equal to 57.57 plus 0.6125x.
So, as the conclusion, linear correlation regression are measured by different characteristics. In this study, we were determined that the strength of linear relation between amount of pocket money and the expenditure is strong, as the value of R obtained is 0.8526. And the second one, regression analysis, that is using this equation should be used to answer the question about the relationship between two variables.
Lastly, I'm going to talk about how students can manage their money. Firstly, they cannot spend their money over their limit. which is their pocket money. And the secondly, they must limit their spend on expensive restaurants such as McDonald's, Starbucks and others. And the thirdly, they can buy or rent the used textbook and sell their last semester textbook. That's all from us. Thank you.